Undesign refers to the intentional removal or replacement of technologies that harm humans or degrade ecosystems. This might sound strange in a world obsessed with more innovation, but undesign can actually bring about positive impacts. It asks people to reconsider what technologies are truly necessary and which ones may be causing more harm than good. A classic example of undesign is the car-free city center in many urban areas. By removing cars from city centers, space is opened up for pedestrians, cyclists, and public transport. Without cars, air quality improves, noise pollution decreases, and there's more room for parks and community spaces. Many cities have found that people become more active and happier when streets are designed for people instead of vehicles. Undesign relates strongly to ideas of sustainability, as it requires thinking about what's best for the Earth's long-term needs. It also ties into concepts of environmental restoration, by replacing technologies that pollute with those that don't. Students interested in information technology can consider undesign as a challenge to invent solutions that prioritize the well-being of humans and the planet. Technological undesign encompasses multiple approaches to the intentional negation of technology. One practical example is the self-inhibition built into smartphone apps that limit screen time or block access during certain hours. These features represent undesign through inhibition, where technology actively constrains its own use. Another example is the replacement approach seen in some data centers that substitute energy-intensive cooling systems with passive designs that use natural airflow or seawater cooling. This form of undesign doesn't eliminate the technology entirely, but replaces harmful components with alternatives that serve the same function with less environmental impact. Undesign connects to three important technological concepts. First, it reframes interaction design to consider not just what features to add, but what elements to remove or constrain, challenging the assumption that more is always better. Second, it emphasizes technological safeguarding, where systems are designed with built-in limits to prevent harmful outcomes, similar to how thermostats prevent overheating. Third, undesign relates to restoration, where removing certain technologies allows natural systems to recover and regain function. These connections demonstrate that undesign isn't anti-technology, but rather a more thoughtful approach to technology's role in society and environment.